Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you what you can do with fresh live whelks. So if you go to the market and see this lovely fresh live whelks for quite a good price, for example £6 per kilo, and you show that they are alive, you can buy them and make absolutely delicious dish. Let's go to see. But please don't ask them to clean them, they never do it.
No cleaning.
No, we're not clean. No, definitely not.
So you need to have about kilo of whelks, a little bit of green onion, a little bit of coriander, sea salt, black pepper, already minced garlic, and very good oil like avocado oil. Just ignore these worms and let's clean it. We will clean them by breaking the shells. It's a little bit dirty job, but let's do it. Okay, the shell is almost ready, so I've removed all the shells from all the snails. Of course, it's very difficult to work with such a small snails or whelks. And this technique works much better with huge one, where every shell is look like that. But we can use this technique for these shells as well. It will be a little bit longer, but we can do it. And now you need to wash it from all the hard bits and remove all these internal parts. Okay, in Japan you can make sashimi out of these whelks, but we are not in Japan, so we will fry them a little bit, and I will show you some kind of Hong Kong style of frying. But first of all we need to remove these doors or lids, and then I will show you how to slice them. So they are already cleaned, you see, they are very clean and nice, and this is what it's looked like a worm before, but it's not a worm, it's internal part, stomach. Okay, so you need to remove these lids and then we will be ready. That's it, we almost finished now, and we need to slice everything to the portion size. But we slice it to clean the stomach and to make cooking easier. So how to slice it? First of all, cut in half. When you cut in half, you can see this stomach which you need to remove. So remove the stomach, and here as well. See this pipe and some glands. That's it, we remove it, and then slice it again across to make very thin slices like that. So this is a perfect cooking size. See, these very thin bits, they're ideal for frying. Okay, now we've cleaned everything, and now I've almost finished to slice everything, and I feel that I need to try some sashimi made out of this buccino whelks. So let's try to do sashimi. Just wait a second, I will finish to slice this one. This was big one. Yeah, actually you should slice very big one, not this tiny creepy small things, but let's try it. A little bit of soy sauce, and look at the slices, they're almost ready. So let's take one nice slice, big one, yes, big slice, and it is amazing taste. Of course it's very small bits, but the taste of these whelks when it's sashimi, it's so delicious that I don't understand the Japanese people who eat them raw. Okay, when we finish we need to prepare green onion, or scallion, how they call. Remove roots and remove dry bits from this end. Okay, now you can cut scallion into small chunks and then cut them across. This will help them fry much quicker and easier. Because we should cook everything very, very quickly, that's why the scallion should be cooked as well very quickly. And a little bit of coriander will work very well with this dish. Just chop it finely and we will sprinkle on the top. That's it, we're ready to cook. Let's go. This dish required very hot pan, and that's why I use avocado oil, because look, it's 260-degree high heat. Okay, avocado oil, not much, just a little bit to touch the walls. See, it starts to smoke, it's good, because we need very hot setup. Yes. Let's put it on the wall just to take some heat, almost all the heat from the wall. now onion go in. Time for black pepper. Salt go in. Okay, you can add a little bit of sesame oil. Let's burn it a little bit. Let's burn it. And we can put some garlic inside just to warm up a little bit. You see? Okay, let's take it now. Other side. I think it's ready. That's it. I will use this mesh to remove the extra oil, so I just put everything in the pile and just put it inside the mesh and take it off. Something like that. That's it. Last bit. Yeah. And nicely serve it. Sprinkle a little bit with coriander. Just few leaves. That's it. Look at this dish. It looks absolutely amazing, and let's try it. Amazing taste. The only things which can be better, it's this size of the snail. So this will be better, but this whelks is absolutely delicious to cook by this way. It's a little bit annoying to prepare them, but the result is so beautiful that you cannot resist to eat it. Enjoy. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you!